how to prepare for UPSC prelims exam 2021, or if you are preparing for UPSC exam 2021, then must listen this video. It is very useful, it will be beneficial for you. You will get the overview of some important or must read books, notes, how to prepare, where to prepare, the timetable, daily routine, or some discipline, etc. Okay. Exam details of UPSC prelims 2021. The expected date is May June 2021. How many questions are there in preliminary examination? There is 100 question in general studies paper first, which is the scoring paper, or the qualifying paper is second two, paper 2. It means general study first paper, whatever score you achieve or you get in the paper first, only count for rank, or the paper second, which covers the English, maths, reasoning, aptitude, which is only in qualifying in nature. Okay, so there is the paper first count, ओनली पेपर फर्स्ट के मार्क्स ही आपके काउंट होंगे. पेपर्स जो सेकंड पेपर है वो सिर्फ पासिंग मार्क्स लाने हैं, उसमें आपको 67 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 200. ओके, 1/3 मार्क्स फॉर नेगेटिव मार्किंग. इट कॉस्ट्स अ लॉट if you go for negative marking. There is a 2 hour for each paper. Okay, now switch to the book list. Some important books, which books you cannot skip, must read books for civil services examination 2021. Polity, Indian polity book. This is Lakshmikant book. M. Lakshmikant, must read book for Indian polity. Second is the GRASP IAS book or notes. GRASP IAS book notes. These two are sufficient for your UPSC exam 2021. I am talking about polity section. Okay, first M. Lakshmikant, second GRASP IAS book. Next is economy. Economy obviously very popular book. Ramesh Singh. You can read the articles of Mrunal, very popular article and also helpful for UPSC examination. Must read book is Macroeconomics, NCERT class 12th book. Indian Economy Development, NCERT class 11th NCERT book. These two books will be very useful for economic section, because the basics of economy you can clear by these two books. Economic survey also important. Directly question asked in preliminary examination from economic survey. Or you can read the GRASP IAS book of Indian economy, which is also helpful for preliminary examination. Direct questions come from the GRASP IAS economy book. You can read the Hindu articles, the Hindu newspaper for economy section. Some important articles in the Hindu, Indian Express for latest economic topics. Okay, or you can help the internet understanding the concept via Investopedia, Google, YouTube, etc. Next is Ancient History of India. Old NCERT, you read the old NCERT book written by R.S. Sharma, or the easy and quick understanding GRASP IAS book of ancient history of India. You can Google and find these books. GRASP IAS. It is an civil services institute. GRASP IAS. Okay, so you can get the book from these sites. Second is Medieval History of India. Medieval History of India. One important book is written by Satish Chandra, old NCERT. You can read the selective topics from Satish Chandra for medieval history of India. Okay, and the quick notes, if you want to read the revise the history, medieval history, then you can go for GRASP IAS Medieval History of India book. It is very good book. Okay. Next is Modern History of India. Modern History of India, Spectrum publication. ये brief history of modern India. It is very good book. Brief history of modern India. Spectrum publication. Okay. You can read the selective India's struggle for independence, written by Vipin Chandra. You can skip some topics of this Vipin Chandra book. NCERT by Vipin Chandra 17 to 1857. Or if you want to read the gist of all these books, then you can go for GRASP IAS book or notes. Next, Indian art and culture. The introduction of Indian art and culture, you must read. You cannot skip this book, the NCERT class 12th book. It is very good and interesting also. Next is Indian art and culture by Nitin Singhania. Some lengthy book, but also quality and some important material you can read by Nitin Singhania book. Next is CCRT material. CCRT is also important for Indian art and culture. Okay, you can also read the heritage etc. by the NCERT this. Next, the GRASP IAS book, where you can read the NCERT introduction and the descriptive also, the complete detailed or in some understanding manner, the GRASP IAS book. It is very important book. Okay, and it is not necessary to read all these books. Okay, don't be confused. Start reading through one book, then go for another book. All the books are not necessary. Environment and ecology, biodiversity. Shankar IAS, very popular, very good book. Shankar IAS book for environment, and the alternate of this book is GRASP IAS book of environment and biodiversity. This GRASP IAS book, the advantage is it has the latest material with static portion, means current affair and static portion both covered in the environment and biodiversity of this GRASP IAS book. General science, go for NCERT 9th class book, general science, class 10th book, general science. You can get the help of YouTube, Google, etc. Read daily newspaper, the Hindu, Indian Express. These newspapers will also help to improve your daily science or general science topics. Geography, fundamental of physical geography, 11th class NCERT. India physical environment, 11th class NCERT. Fundamental of human geography, 12th class NCERT. You can read this book for mains also. India people and economy, 12th class NCERT, also helpful for mains examination. Certified physical and human geography, G.C. Leong, very good book for preliminary examination. GRASP IAS notes, it is one of the best book, also available in market. geography book, okay, or you can get the copy or download from the Google or some help other websites by searching. Government schemes, latest government schemes. GRASP IAS updates the government scheme on monthly basis, okay. So on the month basis you can get the latest government's PDF from the GRASP IAS. Previous year question paper is also important for the level of preparation. What the level of your preparation, if you want to check, or which type of questions UPSC asked in examination, you must read the or revise the or understand the previous year question papers, okay. These are also available online free of cost. You can download, or I will provide the link in description, so you can go and download these 10 years papers free of cost. No need to buy these papers. Current affairs, The Hindu, Indian Express, some government websites like PIB, Yojana, Kurukshetra, but Hindu and Indian Express, you can choose one of them. And next is GRASP IAS. It is one of the best current affair materials. Short notes of current affairs, daily basis MCQs of current affairs will be sufficient for your preparation. So it is the list of some important books for your preliminary examination. Also help to improve your score, your confidence and your knowledge also. If you are dedicated aspirant, then definitely you will clear the exam. Next is how to crack UPSC Prelims 2021 exam in 6 months or 7 months, 8 months. It takes a time, but if you study between 8 to 10 hours daily, then you can also crack the examination in 6 or 8 months, okay. So here are the detail, or I will provide you the link in description. You can go and read the strategy to crack the civil services exam in 6 to 8 months by focus and dedicated preparation, okay. We will give you some guidance on for the working professionals or the beginners. Here are the tips for working professionals. Is coaching really important for UPSC Prelims 2021, or what are the role of coaching institutes, or why the test series is important for preliminary and mains examination? You can get all the details here, and I will provide the link in description. You can click there and read all the important tips for your examination. What is the eligibility criteria? Who can apply for UPSC exam 2021? Age, eligibility, or your medium? How to choose the optional, or which optional is better, which is scoring, where to read these optionals, optional books, or how discipline can help you to crack the UPSC civil services exam, how to make timetable for UPSC preparation. It also depend on person to person, but you can get the reference for making your own timetable, okay. So all these doubts which every aspirants have in their mind, so you will get the link in description. Go click on the link and clear your all the doubts for civil services examination, book, notes, eligibility, etc. Thank you so much. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe for latest updates or latest videos for civil services examination. You will also get the current affairs, some important questions, study material free of cost for your prelims and mains exam 2021. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your exams.